Hello everyone, cook with me, Afro Kitchen here. Today is a Saturday, make Saturday dinner with me. You can see all my things have been prepared here. Tomato, some carrot, some onion and garlic. I have some grated beetroot. You'll wonder what is it for. And then I have beans. This is what I'm having for dinner. So this beetroot, I'm using it for this rice, guys. I want to make my rice a little colorful. You'll see when it is ready. So cook with me as Afro Kitchen. I've already put some salt here. Turn on. My water has boiled. This kettle measures for me the enough water that I need for my rice because I know how much water I want. This kettle is like 3.5 cups of water, not big cups but smaller cups, and it is enough for my rice. So this rice is 3 cups, not 4, not 2, it is 3, and also not big cups, so also small cups. So cook dinner with me, keep watching. So my saucepan is ready for the beans. I add in some oil. It's very little. Should add a little more. This will do. I wait for it to cook some little more. I am adding in some onions because there's a lot of onion. I'm not putting all. I'm using it for my veggies also. There we are. Let me get a look at my rice. Cooking colorful rice for children. That is amazing. Yeah, I'm cracking. Oh God. Guys, look at this rice. It's turning into purple color. But when it is cooked, it doesn't stay purple, guys. It's going to change into a different color. And I always want it to be purple. Look at that. So, the water is reducing. Add on carrots. Those tomatoes are almost ready. Let me add in. You see how colorful it is. Ooh, this will go tasty, guys. So guys, I don't like too much ingredients in mine. I use salt, turmeric, royco. That is it. I love to feel the taste of the beans. So here I am. This is like a tablespoon. No, a teaspoon. Can I say teaspoon or tablespoon? Teaspoon. And the royco cube. It also makes the beans taste nice. I'll use one. If it is not enough, I can add later half of water. just on the beans itself. All of it. Let it boil. Then I'll sprinkle some green onions. Is that not amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. What do you guys like eating for your Saturday meals? Or how do you like your beans? Another thing I would like to know, how do you make your beans? So that I can also take some tips and tricks from you. So this is how I make mine. Simple, quick, easy. That is it. I will let it to boil like for 10 minutes. Take it off the fire and then I can do the greens. Welcome. Here our beans are ready. I'm going to add on just to garnish it, more of green onion, and there we are. My saucepan is here for the veggies. We add in some oil. Because it's vegetables, I don't need too much oil. It's enough. The greens are here. It was frozen. This is gobe and derema. Derema is like okra. Sad kind of when you cook it. It turns to be like okra. salt, because it is greens. I don't need too much spice for the greens. You want to taste the natural taste of the greens. So these greens I've added some milk. And I love my greens with the milk, guys. Let it to boil. Nderma, I'm adding it there. This nderma is also good for the bones, guys. If you don't have enough blood, also you can eat nderma. You boil it and eat it natural the way it is. Just boil with a little salt, no frying, no nothing. When you drink it, it's good for your health. People with issues of blood, in case you have gone to the hospital and they told you don't have enough blood, eat nderema, guys. You'll come back and thank me later. So ladies and gentlemen, our dinner is here, is ready, guys. Look at this. Imagine I am not Chef Golden, but look at what I came up with. This is just a home cook. This is so amazing, so tasty. So ladies out there, if you want to dogu to buy for your G-Wagon, once in a while, surprise him with beans, rice, and some veggies. So that's what I was able to come up with today, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, Avocado Kitchen, for liking and subscribing and turning up the notification bell. Enjoy, guys. Come and eat with me. Voila. This is amazing. Thank you. Have a good night. Wow. Let him taste the food. Hi TikToker. Enjoy my Saturday dinner with me, guys. We have beans, we have greens and rice. Come and eat this dinner with me. This is what I came up with today. What is your favorite meal? Do you like beans and rice, or beans and ugali, or beans and posho? So this is my favorite. I like beans and rice. Enjoy with me.